Along with OnePlus 6, the company has also launched a bunch of different cases and protection accessories for the device to go with at an event in London yesterday. Considering the glass back, you'll need one to protect your device from scratches, dents, or damages. Here are the 5 cases we got to check out. First is the Karbon bumper case. Weighing around 11 grams, the Karbon bumper case is a flexible yet sturdy and solid case that offers protection, keeping the slim and lightweight profile in check. It has a special fiber woven into a geometrical design, offering an enhanced look. However, this slap-on case doesn't offer full protection, which makes it a least recommendable. Next up is the red silicone protective case. The red fever continues with the OnePlus 6 as the company has introduced a silicone protective case in red color for the first time. The fluid silicone shell is paired up with a soft microfiber lining for enhanced scratch protection. Weighing at 25 grams, it offers all-rounded protection that one needs to keep your device from damage. Third is the Sandstone bumper case. OnePlus's affair with Sandstone continues with the 6th generation smartphone as well. This unique texture is loved among the OnePlus fans, and that's a good enough reason to make it. Weighing at 17 grams, the case comes with a cutout for the buttons, but it doesn't offer quite as much as overall protection. Next up is the Ebony wood bumper case. The Ebony wood case provides a robust outer shell that shields the device from the direct damage. If you are a nature's person, this genuine wood case with the red hues and a deep black will surely leave a lasting impression on you. For your information, it weighs around 25 grams. Last but not the least is the nylon bumper case. With OnePlus 6, the nylon bumper case makes its debut with a unique texture that offers amazing grip. This case looks solid, durable, that guards against dirt, damages, and dents. It offers an all-round protection but also adds a bit of weight to the device. All these cases and other accessories like tempered glass, flip cover, and more should go on sale in India along with OnePlus 6 from next week. This is it guys, do hit the like button, share, and subscribe.